The box will be delivered to your home with contents to build 2 3-drawer medium carts. Carefully remove all of your pieces and ensure you are not missing any components. Start by attaching the middle frame to the bottom frame, ensuring all 4 posts are connected securely. Attach the top frame in the same manner. Flip your cart frame upside down and insert 4 casters firmly to the base. If you choose to customize your own drawer cart, remove 1 lid and 1 set of casters and set them aside in a safe place. Here are some options to create a customized solution perfect for your needs.